In the quiet corners of the human mind, there exists a condition often whispered about but rarely understood: schizophrenia. It's not a split personality as so often portrayed. Instead, it's a complex brain disorder that redefines a person's reality. Imagine hearing voices that aren't there or seeing things that others can't. This is the world that more than 20 million people worldwide navigate every single day. Let's take a moment to understand, to empathize, and to see the person behind the diagnosis. What causes someone's reality to shift in this way? There isn't a single answer. It's a puzzle with many pieces. Genetics plays a significant role. If a close relative has schizophrenia, the risk increases. But genes are not destiny. Brain chemistry is another key factor, particularly an imbalance in a neurotransmitter called dopamine, which helps regulate our thoughts and emotions. And finally, environmental factors can act as triggers. Stressful life events, exposure to viruses before birth, or complications during delivery can all contribute to its onset, usually in late adolescence or early adulthood. The experience of schizophrenia is deeply personal and varies for everyone. Symptoms are often grouped into 3 categories. Positive symptoms are those that add to a person's experience, like hallucinations, seeing or hearing things that aren't real, and delusions, which are strong, fixed beliefs that aren't based in reality. Then there are negative symptoms, which take things away. This can look like social withdrawal, a lack of motivation, or a flatness in emotional expression. Finally, cognitive symptoms affect thinking, making it difficult to focus, organize thoughts, or remember things. It's a constant, often confusing internal battle. Living with these challenges can feel overwhelming. The ripple effects touch every part of life. Holding down a job, maintaining friendships, and even simple daily tasks can become monumental hurdles. The stigma surrounding schizophrenia often leads to isolation, making it even harder to seek and receive support. The strain on personal relationships can be immense, and the risk of other health problems increases. It's a heavy burden to carry, not just for the individual, but for their loved ones as well. But this is not a story without hope. In fact, hope is the most crucial part of the journey. Schizophrenia is a manageable condition. Recovery is possible. A combination of antipsychotic medication, which helps rebalance brain chemistry, and psychotherapy, like cognitive behavioral therapy, can be incredibly effective. These treatments help people manage their symptoms and develop coping strategies. Just as important as a strong support system, family, friends, and support groups who offer understanding and encouragement. It's about finding the right combination of tools to rebuild a life of meaning and purpose. Schizophrenia doesn't define a person. It's a part of their story, but it's not the whole story. By replacing misunderstanding with empathy and fear with support, we can help illuminate the path to recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling, remember that help is available and you are not alone. Thank you for watching and for taking the time to understand. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.